Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We started our journey to Hastings Beach. This was on a bank holiday weekend, right? So we started our journey with Southwest trains from Hounslow to Waterloo. That was for around 45 minutes of journey, and then from Waterloo to Hastings Beach, it took us around like 1.5 hours of journey. So the journey was quite comfortable, and the train was also very nice. So overall the journey went on very well. Then we reached Hastings Beach, and you can see here this is the main railway station, or even the bus station is included here. So from here it was just a walking distance to the beach, so we didn't take any kind of a transport. We just walked for around 5 to 6 minutes. We reached the market area. This is the high street of Hastings Beach. You can see here they have put on some tiny market, and it was quite a lively atmosphere. You have all sort of coffee shop, you can take lunch break, and if you are willing to stay here, you can also do it. Then we headed straight to the beach. So we decided to go through the subway, and the subway was quite good. It was nicely, though there were a lot of wall painting around, and we really liked it. Alright, up the stairs, and just we can see the beach here. What a beautiful view it was. And it was for a 3.5 hours of journey, but it didn't really feel like, because you're going on a trip with 2 kids, and those who have kids, you can understand that it's going to be really busy. So it wasn't time taking at all for us. We all had fun in the journey. Then we came to this beach. The beach overall was very, very nice, very calm and quiet place. It was quite neat also. So we didn't get into the water because it was sunny. I think it was around 19 degrees that day, but still it was too much windy. So we didn't even bother to get into the water. This part of Hastings Beach was totally a pebbles beach, and I can tell you out of my experience that walking on a pebbles beach is not easy. It's better always to wear a comfortable shoes and walk on a pebbles beach. We spent some time clicking pictures around here. It was a very good view of the sea, and of course pebbles around, and it was a very lively atmosphere. We really liked spending some time here. So after relaxing on the beach, we just headed over for the West Hill lift, which you can see on the video. So we actually wanted to go for the East Hill lift, but our bad luck, it was closed. So we had to go with the West Hill lift. Even though, if you compare both the lift, I would say the East one would be much better to try, because I think it will be open in the month of June. In proper summer, I think, yeah. So anyway, we wanted to go on a day trip, so we thought it's okay, we'll just give a try on the West Hill side. So this is the cliff train, a tiny and very cute little train which takes you up on the hill, and this was our first experience getting into the cliff train. So as you can see, it is quite a spacious train. So we really liked it because it was our first experience, and whenever you have a first experience, it's really nice. So the cliff train, it can easily accommodate around 10 to 15 people, and you're allowed to take your kids, but I'm not really sure about taking the pram because they will not allow you to do that. So you can just take your belongings because you will have to go up on the hill, so you're going to spend some time on the top, so you'll have to take your stuff with you. I was actually trying to capture some videos, but it wasn't really clear inside. It was like you're going into a dark tunnel, so I couldn't really capture much. But I would highly recommend, if you're going the month of June or July, you can definitely try the East Hill Cliff train, which will be open in the month of June, and I think the experience from that side is amazing. So we reached Cliff Station on top, and the next part was to going on the hill, which was a surprise for us. It was such a beautiful experience. You can see in the video how beautiful it is. I mean, I can't really put into words like how beautiful it was. So if you're coming or if you're visiting to Hastings Beach, you should definitely, it's highly recommended to come here, and you should give it a try. This is awesome, an awesome place to visit, and it's a perfect place for photography. We tried hard to capture some beautiful pictures, but at that time it was so windy, so much windy, that we just couldn't get a proper pictures. But I think maybe in the proper summertime you will be able to get a better pictures. So this view was actually a surprise for us because we were not expecting this to happen. We really didn't know that it's going to look so beautiful from the hill. So we also tried to get into this Hastings Castle, which has a very good history. And I would highly recommend, if you have a primary school children who are studying in year 5 or year 6, they should definitely visit this place, because I think they would be more interested in it. As such, my daughter was with us in the trip, and she got really involved by going through the castle and going through the history. So she really enjoyed it. This particular castle, you can't see anything much in this castle. It's just the ruins that they have, but you can go through and read their history, and you can capture some beautiful pictures. The view from the castle is amazing. So if you want to capture beautiful pictures, and definitely you can spend. was the end of our cliff railway journey, and we went outside, and after all that roaming around, it just made us so much hungry. We decided to get into High Street, and High Street was also very good. There's lots and lots of options for eating around and snacking. We liked this place, this was a coffee shop, and not this place, sorry, but this was also a very good place. I liked it. We went into a coffee shop. I'm not sure with the name because I don't think I have captured it, but we had milkshake, Spanish omelette, onion rings, and coffee. It was really good. I think it was this one, the right side that you can see. I think the name was Hanushka or something. I'm not really sure with the name, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can see on the right side, the left one, sorry, the right side, yeah, Hanushka, the name is Hanushka Coffee Shop. So you can definitely try there if you're willing to have something really tasty. We ordered Spanish omelette, and that was just amazing. It tasted amazing. And my daughter ordered Malteser's milkshake, and that also tasted very good. Then after spending some time in the hotel, we came back to the seaside, and we wanted we wanted our kids to have some fun time. Hastings Beach has a lot of options or activities for kids. And one day we just went for a day trip, but then later on we thought the day trip wasn't enough at all. You need to at least be here for one day to explore the whole of Hastings. This was the queue for miniature train, which we also tried later on. Our experience with the train wasn't that good, but maybe if you really have very small kids, they will be interested in it, or else I would definitely skip that. You can just walk rather than taking the miniature train. So we did some activities here. There was this duck pool where you can do your own boating, self-boating. Then you have some roller coasters and go-kart. We had some ice creams there. Hastings is a lively place to be, and I will highly recommend everyone to visit this place. and this side the fish and chips is very famous. You should definitely give a try. We didn't because we are not that fond of fish and chips, but if you are, then you should definitely give a try. This is the train, miniature train of Hastings. Kids, they really enjoy this. Train journey, it was time for some fun activities with kids, and we took them to the park nearby the beach. The park was really good, and we were there in the park for around 15-20 minutes, and they had fun. There's also a golf park here, there's trampoline, and there's so many activities for kids. So guys, I end this video here and hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.